Hi guys and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I will show you how to perfectly blend text with your footage and track it in After Effects. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First grab the text tool and create your text. To blend the text with the video, click toggle switches/modes and change the text layer's blend mode to overlay. This allows the text to interact with the brightness and colors of the footage, making it look like it naturally belongs in the scene instead of sitting on top of it. As you can see, the text is now blended into the video, no matter where I move it. I want to place the text on the ground, which we will track in a moment. Before that, let's lower its opacity. Press T on your keyboard to reveal the opacity property and reduce it until the text looks natural and feels like part of the scene. With all the adjustments complete, let's animate the text to make it feel more alive. Open the Effects and Presets panel. Expand Animation Presets, then open the Text folder, and finally the Blurs folder. I will drag the Blur and Fade in preset onto the text layer. If you preview the animation now, you will see that the text smoothly fades and blurs into the scene, which looks much better. For my taste, the animation is a little too slow. I will press U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes, then drag the last keyframe to the left to speed up the animation. That looks much better. Now we are ready to track the text. Close the Effects and Presets panel, and apply the 3D camera tracker to the video and wait for the analysis to finish. Once it is complete, select the tracking points where you want the text to appear, then right-click and choose Create Null and Camera. Now enable 3D on the text layer. If you do not see the 3D switch, click toggle switches/modes to display it. To make sure the text follows the tracked point perfectly, select the Track Null layer, press P to reveal the position property, and copy it. Then select the text layer and paste the position onto it. This places the text at the exact tracked location, so it stays locked to the scene as the camera moves. Now press S to reveal the scale property and resize the text. Then adjust its rotation and position until it looks right in your shot. Once you're happy with the placement, preview the result. It already looks good, but I want to fine-tune the rotation a little more. After that, we'll preview it one last time. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.